My dear student, welcome to our online class. I am Mohammad Johar Islam Bhuya, Assistant Teacher of Kalasar High School, Vijayanagar, Brahmanbaria. Dear student, in the last class, I taught you about tag question. I taught you two rules for the making tag question. Today, I will teach you more rules for the making tag question. If you follow this rule and memorize, I think all of you will be able to making tag question easily. In the last class, I told you about the rules. One of auxiliary verbs, the rules of auxiliary verb, another is rules of do, does and did. Today I will discuss more two rules. Look at the board. Let us. If any sentence there are present let's or let us, this sentence tag questions will be shall we. You will have to memorize this. Let's or let us. The tag question will be shall we. Then only let. There is no any s or us. Only let. If there is present only let, the tag question will be will you. Then imperative sentence. My dear students, do you know what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means order, advice, forbade, etc. If you want to know imperative sentence, one thing will memorize that all the imperative sentence are making by using verb at the beginning of the sentence, or please kindly these words are used in the imperative sentence. So if you find any verb at the beginning of the sentence, you think that it is imperative sentence, and all imperative sentence tag question will be either will you or won't you. Will you or won't you. You can write any one. Do you understand? Okay, we can practice. Let's practice, then you will be able to make the tag question easily. Look at the board. The first sentence, let's go on a picnic. Here present let's. So the tag question will be shall we. Then question mark. Number 2, let him do the work. You see that here present only let, not let us or let's. So the tag question will be will you. Have you understood? Then let us do something about the poor. Let us. Here present let us. So tag question will be will, shall we. Clear? Then I have written two sentences. That is imperative sentence. Do your duty in time. Here present at the beginning of the sentence do. Do is a verb. So you can think that it is imperative sentence. So the tag question will be will you. Another sentence, do not tell a lie. Here also present verb do, but it is negative sentence. Do not tell a lie. In imperative sentence, you write the tag question either will you or won't you. There is no problem. You can write it also will you. Have you understood? Okay, my dear students, we have already finished the rules of making tag question. I have told you about 4 rules for making tag question. Please memorize it. One is the rules of auxiliary verb. Number 2, the rules of do, does, did. Number 3, the rules of let's or let us. Number 4, imperative sentence. If you want to get full marks from the making tag question, at first when you read the sentence, at first you will find if there is any auxiliary verb. If there present auxiliary verb, you think that it is the rules of auxiliary verb. If there is present let's or let us, you will think that it is the rules of let's and let us. That means shall we. If you find imperative sentence, that means at the beginning of the sentence verb, you can make this tag question by using will you or won't you. Another thing, only let. If they are present only let, the tag question will be will you. So I think if you learn these 4 rules, you will be able to get good marks from the making tag question. We practice all the rules of the making tag question. Dear student, look at the board. Here I have written some sentences. They are present all the rules of making tag question. Follow and practice. At first I have written he is a good player. Look, here present an auxiliary verb is. So the tag question will be is. Then as there is no any negative word, so you will have to write short form of not, then subject. He is pronoun, so subject will be he. Then a question mark. Understand? Number 2, Salma hardly comes here. Look, there is no any auxiliary verb, so we can use do, does or did. Look, the verb is comes. As there is present s with the verb, so we will have to use does. Then it is a negative word, hardly, so we need not to write not, negative form, we only will have to write subject Salma. Salma is pronoun, so sorry, Salma is noun, so we have to change it pronoun Salma as female, so we can write she. Understand? Then everybody loves flower. Here there is no any auxiliary verb. Main verb is loves. Here also S with the verb. But have you remembered? I told you that can words when place any subject, everybody, everyone, some, somebody, someone, no, nobody, no one, none, neither. Then you will have to change 4 words. Does will be changed, do, has will be changed, have, is will be changed, are, was will be changed, were, as, does, but we will have it will be changed into do. As there is no negative word, so short form of not, then subject. All the time, in 10 words, subject will be there. Then we must not tell a lie. There is an auxiliary verb and it is negative, so the tag question will be must. Subject we is pronoun, so subject will be we. Understand? Then let's plant trees more and more. Let's. The rules of let's. So the tag question will be shall we. Open the door. My dear student, open is a verb and it is at the beginning of the sentence. So it is an imperative sentence. So the tag question will be will you. Then there is little water in the pond. Here present an auxiliary verb is, so we will write is. Then there is no any negative word, so we have to write negative form of this verb and short form isn't. Then subject there is pronoun, so subject will be there. Then let them play. This is the rules of let. Let. There is no let's or let us, so that tag question will be will you as an imperative sentence. None can do this. They are present auxiliary verb. Can. As none is a negative word, so there is no need to use not, and subject will be there because it is one of the 10 words. None, no one. Can, there. Then everybody is dancing. They are present auxiliary verb, but as there is present everybody, is will be changed are. Then as there is no negative word, we will have to use short form of not, then subject will be there. I am a student. My dear student, am. It is an auxiliary verb and it is a affirmative sentence. We will have to change this negative. So am not. Its short form is are not. Then subject I. As I is a pronoun. The last of the sentence is he will buy a shirt. Here present auxiliary verb will. As there is no any negative word, we will have to use not, but we will not short from his own. Remember that we will not always be owned. Then subject he. Dear student, I think all of you understand what I say, and if you practice this in your home, I think all of you able to get good marks from the making tag question. Only for few days you practice this making tag question daily 5 or 10 sentence. That's all, my dear student. We will see further in future. Thank you very much.